In the last Fed price prediction, we said that we're waiting for them to 24.5 uh, down to 21.1. In this basically area, we're waiting for a retracement to the upside on FET, and there's basically because of one thing, and that's the volume profile. Right now, volume at these levels is primarily bearish. As you can see right here, we have 220 mil selling pressure, 81 mil selling pressure versus 74 mil, but we have some buys here, and this is something that I believe we will week into. Not only that, but we're a little bit too we've already had VWAP curving up, and we've had it since basically right here. We've had good buying opportunities. Even though price was dumping, you could have started your DCA journey from here, it seems. But to be honest, even if I start buying FET now, that wouldn't be such a bad idea, considering this was a base buy signal as well. So if we just start buying here and then adding to our positions, if we go down, that will be actually a better trade for me. Maybe I can go for the point of control. So around here, because point of control has 955 mil of selling pressure. So yeah, I'll probably just go for that from what I can see. Let me just adjust it a little bit, because maybe the point of control will be okay. So 313, 101, 150, yeah. So we're still pretty bearish. Okay, I will adjust things a little bit. I think the only area I'll be interested in buying is the 21 to 23 cents. So again, an ideal scenario would be we tap here, mesh to DCA, and then we pump for the 35-cent area. If you're interested more about following my trades, I have a link in the description down below to my Signal chat and also a link to my course. See you next video.